Welcome back tonight. I'm obsessed with how quickly things can change, how quickly a home can be shattered into pieces, how quickly a neighborhood can be turned into ruins, how quickly so many lives can be transformed so traumatically. The hideous destruction in historic Mexico Beach, Florida is almost impossible to comprehend. So much splintered wood, so many shards of glass, a vast pile of rubble where a seaside community firmly stood just over 24 hours ago. But it wasn't just Mexico Beach. This is Panama City, Florida. Much of the damage is yet to be found. I know many of you have visited there, vacationed there, have great memories of being there. But we don't know how bad it is because so much of it is still underwater. This is Savannah, Georgia. It's an iconic tree-lined streets are now littered with mangled branches. The shock will eventually wane and the recovery is already beginning. But some of these places were struggling even before the hurricane hit. This hurricane found communities that the economic recovery hasn't gotten to yet. Anyway, many trustworthy charities are helping raise money for the victims of Hurricane Michael. These are just a few we've picked out, and here's a list of some local charities in both Florida and Georgia that accept donations online. Check them out, will you? These communities needed help before, and they most certainly need it now. We'll be right back. Hello, YouTubers. If you're watching this, it means you've checked out our channel, so thank you. Now do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on that button down there. Click on any of the videos to watch the latest interviews and highlights from MTP Daily and MSNBC. You can get more Beat the Press content every morning in the First Read newsletter. If you're tired of content that you don't know anything about where it came from, you don't have to have that problem with us. NBC News, MSNBC, MTP, and the Meet the Press mindset right here for you on YouTube. Subscribe now.